I request Mr. Praveen Pampati, Head Blackstone Resources, to come to the dais. I welcome all the delegates to the first sales meet of Blackstone Books, Hotel A1 Pattaya, Thailand. I hand over the floor to Anil sir.
Thank you, Mr. Nair. Good evening to all of you. Still sleeping?
No, sir. Good evening.
That should be the spirit.
Very good.
Thank you. So I once again welcome you all to the first sales meet of Blackstone Books at Hotel A1 Royal Cruise, Pattaya. I am extremely happy to be here with you all on this joyous occasion in the annals of Blackstone Books. Blackstone Books, which was started last year with a very tentative mindset. No doubt I had an experience in the printing and publishing industry, for almost 25 years, but I was still a tentative man as far as publishing is concerned, because it's a different ball game altogether. I started very tentatively, but touch wood, it has been a purple patch from day one. Day one meaning from the time we started designing the books, discussing the books, printing them, selling them into the market. It was a tremendous and fantastic journey for me personally, and also for the team of Blackstone Books. Let me just take a little while of you in the trip of Pattaya. I know you're all come here to enjoy. Of course, that is the prime aim, but still, it becomes my duty on behalf of Blackstone Books to talk to you formally about our company and its vision, so that we all can have many such more trips and enjoyments in the future. That is the basic idea. You all heard me in the workshops which we conducted, so I basically spoke a lot of things about Blackstone Books in my workshops. When we started with the idea of the toddler worksheets, when we were started to designing the toddler worksheets and all, the amount of research which I did personally is of very satisfying levels to me. Because I felt there was nothing much done as far as kindergarten area is concerned, or these kind of worksheets are concerned. So I felt that there is a large vacuum, there is a large gap in this area, and I need to work on that. So I started working on that, and during the course of my research, I have come to know that there are rather many situations in the publishing industry, in the book industry, where a lot can be done. And many publishers, even very big publishers, have unfortunately not achieved those kind of ideologies. I'm not talking the turnovers, I'm talking of the quality of the books, or the input which the books require, or at the ground level what the teachers require, at the ground level what the students require. Because the scenario is changing dramatically, situations have begun to change even in the districts, in the villages and in the cities. So I thought there is a big leap, there is a big difference. Like 15th August 1947, there's a big difference to all of us that we were independent. So we started thinking differently. That is the big difference I am talking about. So when we came up with the idea of these kind of books, I thought there are many things which can be done which are not being done by others. I would like to be personally, as Blackstone Books, not only, see, I'm primarily a businessman, there is no doubt about that. I'm here to make money, and I want you all to make money. That is the prime idea. But above that, above being a businessman, it becomes our duty. Like for example, it is said, a doctor's profession is a very noble profession. He is of course doing professionally to earn a bread. But then there are certain ethics involved as far as a doctor is concerned. There might be many situations for a doctor who has to go out of the way to probably operate a particular person free of cost because his basic values and ethics have to be maintained. So vis-a-vis, I'm trying to compare that. Even in the book industry, I feel that we all need to take up the responsibility and we need to have some ethical values. And that is what I want to possess in myself, and I would also like you all to encourage to have those kind of values, so that we will feel great. In spite, see, the bargain, in one particular season, we have made a lot of money, but then our soul will also be satisfied that we are able to give some quality stuff to the children which is needed for the future generation of our country. So this is the basic aim and the ideology with which I am trying to work and I am trying to go forward as the years go by. My experience of selling the toddler books, going personally to the schools, talking to the principals and the teachers, and my personal experience with the workshop which I conducted has really opened the Pandora's box and opened my eyes. What I was thinking was wrong and what they require is what we are not able to understand. Probably I have understood only 10 or 15% of it, but I am definitely on the way, on the path of understanding all that as far as the teachers or whatever the market requirement is concerned. So keeping this in mind, I would like to go forward. I would like you all dealers in Andhra Pradesh to give me a helping hand, to support me, to support the company, so that we can further go ahead. And I must tell you at this moment of time that I am full of heart. My heart is so full with the love and the affection which you all people gave me within a short time of 1 year. Apart from doing fantastic business all over, we have also become very close friends like a family. That is what is the main attraction point as far as I am concerned. See, I am basically a Piscean. A Piscean is a very emotional guy. So I am also emotionally attached to my own company, to my own products, to my own research, but at the very same time, at the same level, on the same plane, I am also attached to the dealers. I don't look to a dealer as a person who is taking commission and doing the business. No, I am not like that. Probably many of them don't think like that. Some of them think like that, but I don't think like that. I feel we are all a part of the family. But it doesn't mean that you're not doing business for other publishers. You're definitely doing a business for other publishers. Now, I can only talk about my own company, so that's the only thing I have in my mind. I'm actually now talking to you in a very emotionally charged situation as far as my mind is concerned, because of the love and the warmth which you people have given me personally, and also to Blackstone Books. And Blackstone Books has really done exceedingly well as far as the first year of operations are concerned. Now let me assure you today, the very idea of having a salesman, coming to Pattaya, Thailand, is all to create oneness, is all to create the brotherlyhood. I wanted the fraternity to come closer to me personally also, and also between themselves. This is the basic idea, and I think it is definitely happening. Because, let me tell you one example. I have been meeting Mr. Subhash for quite a number of time in the past 4 or 5 years as Sriram's friend. But then it was just a hello. When I went with Sriram, he offered tea. Probably he had a fag with me outside his office, and that's it about. Nothing beyond that. Even after I started my company, Blackstone Books, still we could not have really that much of interaction with each other at a greater level. But one day of today, my relationship with Mr. Subhash has changed. Am I correct, sir? Yeah. So this is what happens, and this is what is necessary. So that is the bondage which I am looking at. Now coming to back to Blackstone Books, that was my emotional thing in my mind which I wanted to share with you all on this platform. Now coming back to business, As far as the toddler series of the worksheets are concerned, we have been tremendously successful, as you all know. Next year around the corner, we would like to repeat the success of Blackstone books in maybe many folds. Supposing if I am at X today, I would like to make it X2 or X3 or X4, maybe who knows, we don't know. Keeping that in mind, we have in pipeline many books to offer you. This is a too premature a time for me to talk about the books because we are still on the drawing table. But one thing I can assure you, we're definitely going to get the kind of the quality books which toddler worksheets have come. I personally feel, I don't know whether I'm boasting it or not, you all should certify that. Toddler worksheets have been taken by the schools, by the school teachers or by the principals in a very, very different way. Because during the workshops which I conducted across Andhra Pradesh, I talked to various teachers. I asked them, you are using toddler worksheets? She says, yes. Are the children using them? Yes. Are you happy with the worksheet? They said, extremely happy. Are the children happy? They are extremely happy. Are the children enjoying? Yes, they are enjoying. So these kind of statements definitely give a fillip to the product, and which also charges up the person who is sitting there on Blackstone books, that's me. So I am also currently charged up to come up to the expectation level, to the toddler level, the books from Blackstone Books stable for the next year. I would like all of you to please continue the same kind of support which you have been giving me. I am not saying that support will not come, it will definitely come because it is also a business model. And these books will definitely take Blackstone to the next level. And at Blackstone, as I told you, we are a research-oriented organization. As you people, the dealers, who are deciphering with the school principals and the teachers, you are the person who are going into the market and talking to all of them. If you have any suggestions for me, in any area, be it the kind of the books which we need to publish, be it how I promote my books, be it how do I conduct myself, if I am going wrong, you're all my seniors. When Rushikesh Dashapalli is here, he always teases me that I am your senior in the publishing industry, and I have accepted it. I told him, yes, I am the junior as far as the publishing industry is concerned. So I'm still a junior. I have to learn a lot of things. With due respect to all of you, I humbly request you all, if any kind of such suggestions are there, please do not feel even 1 minute. Pick up the phone, talk to me and tell me. You all are my elder brothers, I feel. You can bash me on the phone. You can tell me anything you want. If I am going wrong anywhere, please correct me. I would also like to learn all the tricks of this particular trade and go ahead in the future. That is my basic aim and the idea as far as Blackstone books are concerned. Now, as I told you, next year is going to be a testing period for me because I am coming up with new kind of books which are again like the worksheets, toddler worksheets, have not been published by any publisher from Andhra Pradesh. There were some publishers from Bangalore, from Delhi and from Chennai and from Bombay also, but none from Andhra Pradesh. I was the first to do that as far as Andhra Pradesh is concerned. So there are many, many such concepts, new concepts in my mind, which I would like to bring as far as these kind of books are concerned. And I promise you that I will definitely give you a lot of such books. As far as selling is concerned, you are definitely going to have a very good business model, and we all will work together and we strive to see that Blackstone also grows and you also grow. So that is all I have to say as far as the sales meet is concerned. I wanted this sales meet, I wanted to talk a lot actually, but then keeping in mind the mood and the area and the situation we are in, I would like to keep it very short so that we all can enjoy. That is the basic area. So now I hand over the mic to Mr. Nair.
Now I request Mr. Praveen Pampati to talk about Blackstone Resources. Over to you, sir.
Dignitary of the dais, Managing Director of Blackstone, Mr. Anil Bharadwaj, and the person who represents Blackstone company, Mr. Rupi Nair, and every person who is on this hall. You are not only a dealers of the Blackstone, you are all the backbones of Blackstone Group. Good evening, you all. Hi, Praveen. On the behalf of Blackstone Resources, I am standing in front of you. Blackstone Books is already success. The success is not because of the content of the books. The success is not because of the quality of the books. The success of books is not because from Blackstone. The success is not because it is from authored by the AMS. The success because of Blackstone is you are my friends. You are. Without you, there is no success at all. No one achieves a success individually. Success will come only a team. Team means together achieves more. So I need all your cooperation for the success of the Blackstone, and I have a confidence on you all. With more confidence, more support, you will extend towards the Blackstone. With this object, Blackstone Resources is a research-based organization, as I have already told by Managing Director Anil Bharadwaj. Our main object and our vision in the Blackstone is to fulfill the needs of the category in education, that is kindergarten. All the requirements of the kindergarten, whether it is pertaining to the management, whether it is pertaining towards the teacher training, or whether it is towards promoting the new methodologies in teaching for the segment of kindergarten. With this object, this year we have introduced a product called Impact. Impact is nothing but a teacher training course. We are doing this program in association with the Andhra Mahila Sabha, who are pioneers in early childhood education. They are an experience of last 25 years in teaching the methodologies for teachers in particularly early childhood education. During the workshops, we have promoted this product, Impact of Teachers Training, which we have got a tremendous response from the schools wherever we have conducted a workshop. Already we have a lot of registrations from the twin cities to take the advantage of this program, but I need you all the support of the rural dealers, where we can reach every corner of the Andhra Pradesh with the object that Blackstone is a trademark. Blackstone is the company which every kindergarten management has to think initially. For this purpose, I need all your support to give the success which you all given to the Blackstone books. I have a confidence on you all support this product, which is definitely helpful to the schools, which they can grow at par compete with the corporate kindergarten schools. For every school which they want to compete with the corporate schools, they need a teacher training. With it object only, we have introduced this Impact. Definitely, once if you approach the schools wherever you have a contacts, if you promote this product, definitely will get a response. For this, I need all your support so that we take a greater heights to reach every teacher of the Andhra Pradesh. For this, I need your all help, and definitely it will get. Right now? Thank you. This I conclude about the product which is we are launched impact, and there is a lot of products in the kitty of the Blackstone resources. Definitely will come one by one. For all that you need, I need a support of you all, and definitely I will get. Thank you very much.
I thank both of you, sir. Now is the time for recognition. At Blackstone, we feel that Delia's contribution has been immense in the success of Blackstone Books. We would like to recognize your efforts. I will call each one of you by name, and I request Anil sir to please give away the memento in appreciation of their work. Mr. K. Sriram, Managing Director, Sri Vidya Book House Private Limited, Hyderabad.
Can somebody take pictures, please?
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sign up. Srinu, ముందుకెళ్ళి.
The next person I would like to call Mr. J. Srinivas, partner, Nilima Book Distributors, Islamabad. Please.
One more.
I would like to call Mr. G. Venkana, partner, Nilima Book Distributors, Islamabad. Please come. Now I would like to call Mr. Narasimha Rao, partner, Sri Vidya Book Point, Visakhapatnam. I would like to call Mr. Badrinath, partner, Nilima Book Bank, Warangal. Now I request Mr. Kasi Vishwanath, partner, Saraswati Book Links, Khamar. Now I would like to request Mr. Ravi Kumar Reddy, partner, Deepthi Book Distributors, Gadwaka.
Thank you very much, sir, for all your support.
I would like to call Mr. P. Srinivas, partner, Sai Book House, Lingampalli. I would like to call Mr. H. Subhash, partner, Sri Baidyanath Book Distributors, Hyderabad. Mr. P. Ganesh, partner, Sri Vidya Book Depot, Gajwaka. Please come. I would like to call Mr. Kameswar Rao, partner, Sri Lalita Book Center, Visakhapatnam. Please. Mr. Y. Srinivas Rao, Sai Sri Book Center, Visakhapatnam. Please come. I would like to call Mr. M.N.K. Lakshman Kumar, SVK Book Stationery, Visakhapatnam. Please come. Thank you very much, sir. We come to the close of the first sales meet of Blackstone Books at Pattaya. On this happy occasion, we are hosting grand gala dinner now with drinks and dance. I request you all to please join with us. Thank you, sir.
Can we all now break out, please?
No, we'll have one group photo.
Yeah, we'll have a group.